Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by attaching the USB-C to VGA adapter to your MacBook Air's port. This converts the digital signal to analog. Next, plug the VGA cable into the adapter and hand tighten the connector screws so it won't loosen. Once done, connect the other end of the VGA cable to the monitor's VGA input. Make sure the external display is connected to power. Keep the Mac awake so it can detect a new external display immediately. Once the cables are seated, power on the external monitor and switch it to the VGA input. The Mac should detect it automatically. If not, open System Settings and select Displays, then press Detect Displays. You can drag the external display relative to your built-in screen for arrangement or enable mirroring for identical output. Adjust resolution and scaling here so text is sharp and elements fit. Choose the highest stable resolution. The VGA. You finish by tightening connectors and routing cables so the adapter isn't stressed. This prevents intermittent signal loss. Confirm audio setup separately because VGA does not carry sound. Choose MacBook speakers or a separate audio connection. If the monitor stays black, try reseating the adapter, swap the VGA cable, or test the monitor with another source. As a quick troubleshooting tip, try a different adapter or check system report under USB/Thunderbolt.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.